Right, let's plug it in and then we'll have a look at formatting this disk. Okay, it's the disk, unable to mount. Okay, and we will mount it. Fix it first. Wrong disk. If repair. Okay, that's the first mess. Okay, now we'll just format it again, or try to. NTFS is alright, and it's formatting. It's just not doing anything. This is a problem. When I do get it going, sometimes it would copy files at most at about 4 meg a second, and then at about 100 gigabyte it would just go haywire, as if that's its capacity. I'm not sure what's happening to it, but this drive is driving me nuts. I spent days now trying to copy stuff to it, and it would not do it, and it's still trying to format. As you can see, it is the 503 meg USB disk 3.1, and it's just not working. This video is going to be long because it never finishes at all. And as you can see, that thing has stopped turning completely. And I've tried this on an Apple, I've tried it on a Windows machine, this is a Linux machine, and it just doesn't work. So thank you.